how to make only my friends can join me in experiences on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only my friends can join me in experiences on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and then click this 3 point here in the bottom corner, and now click settings and then select privacy, and now just click here this one, friends and users I follow. You will find it on friends and users I follow. Click on it and you can make it for friends if you want, or anything else. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and then see you in the next video.